Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox Nintendo Game & Watch. Super Mario Game & Watch. Okay, so we have here 3 games and watch. This game, Super Mario Bros. Super Mario Bros. The Lost Levels. Ball game. This is some old game. Actually they're old, so. And you can set up time. So it has 2 seals on both sides. We go this one is not easy to open. Okay, so I go like this, and another seal over here. Or can we just open it? Okay, so we can take it out. And there's a picture right on the plastic. You can see here. The picture. Okay. So now it has different picture because before it was combined with this. Okay. This is how it looks. Let's open it. Out, we have a port, USB-C to USB. This is for charging. Okay. We can open it. This. And this is how it looks. Okay, here we can turn it on. Here we can charge it. We have serial number here. Okay. Here we have a manual too. It was over here. That's what the manual looks like. Let's see. This power button. Okay. And this can go basically to any like phone charger or whatever. Okay, so let's set up time. So let's set up time. So we press this, post set, and then we can adjust brightness over here. Let's do like this, and then we can set up time. Okay, this brightness for time. Oh, this is sound, and this is brightness. This is brightness. So you do like this, and then we set up time, right? So, and then we press, okay, so we can do hours. Let's say 3 p.m. like this, and then we just press this down, and it's 3 p.m. now. So let's go to the games. So we have 3 games, 1, 2, 3. Let's start with this weird ball game. I mean, it's not weird, it's just kind of old, I guess. Game A, game B. Okay, let's try game A. Okay, and I have to catch the balls. Okay, just like that. My first time playing it. So I did it twice already, like this. Okay, that's the game, I guess. So then the second game, let's try Mario Bros. 2-player, wow. Okay. So it's good old Mario Bros. Same game as like on Nintendo. Now I'm big. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I'm already here, so I missed all the cool stuff. So How do we do it? I forgot. I forgot how to get to 400. I think is the worst that someone can get. Then we go to underground. Okay, so we're gonna pause reset. Okay, so we go to games. So what if we go to ball? It's left where we stopped. Okay, so then what if we go back to Mario? And I'm again here. Interesting. So it saves the game progress. Okay, so let's try the third game. Is Mario game or Luigi game? Okay. This one is not easy. You're gonna die. We have to die. Is it coming out? Is it gonna eat us? Okay. So that's the Super Mario Bros. Game and Watch. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.